Conquer your confusion. Understanding conquer in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our journey through the English language. Today, we're going to explore the term conquer. This word is not just about battles and kings. It holds a broader significance in everyday English. So, let's dive in and conquer the meaning of conquer together. Conquer primarily means to gain control or victory over something. Traditionally, this term is associated with winning a war or battle. Imagine ancient warriors and empires expanding their territories. That's the classic use of conquer. But there's more to this word than historical battles. In modern usage, conquer often appears in a metaphorical sense. When someone says, "I conquered my fear of heights," they mean they overcame or mastered it. It's about overcoming significant challenges, be they physical, emotional, or intellectual. Personal challenges: she conquered her anxiety before the big presentation. Professional achievements: he conquered the world of chess at a young age. Learning and knowledge: after months of study, I finally conquered the complexities of calculus. Conquer is also found in various phrases and idioms, adding richness to the language. Divide and conquer: a strategy to gain control by breaking up larger groups into smaller, more manageable ones. Conquer one's demons: to deal successfully with negative issues like fear, addiction, or other personal challenges. Conquer from within: to overcome internal struggles or to improve oneself significantly. Understanding conquer can also enrich your comprehension of historical and cultural contexts. In history, references to empires and leaders who conquered lands and peoples, like Alexander the Great or Genghis Khan. In literature and media, many stories and movies use the concept of conquering, sometimes in a literal sense, war stories, and often metaphorically, overcoming obstacles. Let's put conquer into action. Here are some example sentences. The team worked hard to conquer the challenges of the new project. Despite the difficulties, she conquered the language barrier. The novel is about a hero's journey to conquer his destiny. There you have it. Conquer is a powerful and versatile word in the English language, embodying the spirit of overcoming challenges, whether they are in the physical world or within ourselves. Whether you're conquering a new language, a fear, or a personal goal, remember the strength and depth this word carries. Hope this exploration helps you conquer your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.